Thinking of selling your house? This is Danny Lipford with Tips for Today's Homeowner. If the answer is yes, you may want to take a good hard look at the outside of your home. Stay tuned and we'll talk about curb appeal and how it affects your sale right after this. Outdoor concrete projects are quick and easy with Quikrete fast-setting concrete in the red bag. Whether you need to set a fence post, mailbox post, or deck footing, or even pour a backyard patio, Quikrete fast-setting concrete in the red bag makes it simple. To set a post, there's no mixing. Just pour the dry mix into the hole and add water. It sets hard in about 20 minutes and you're done. It's that fast and easy. Quikrete fast-setting concrete. Look for it in the red bag. Curb appeal is especially important when you're putting a house on the market because not only does it increase resale value, but it's also important in hooking potential buyers. A recent survey of real estate agents discovered that 82% have had potential buyers decline to look at the inside of a home based on the exterior appearance. According to the National Association of Realtors, window and door projects typically return between 81 and 88% of their cost at resale, so it's a good sound investment. But if that isn't in your budget, consider making smaller, simple changes. Add some colorful plants out front, paint the door and shutters, or replace your mailbox. All these little things make a good first impression. I'm Danny Lipford with Tips for Today's Homeowner.